I want to share a testimony. When I was still in university, when I bought my vehicle, it was a second-hand vehicle. That car had oil leaks. I'm trying to emphasize this principle of how the kingdom of heaven works on stewardship. It had oil leaks. And I take it to the mechanic and they say, hey, you bought the wrong car. You really need to sell it before you use it because I don't see much life in it. I've tested the engine. I was driving that car. It was leaking. I'd park it. It's leaking. It's leaking. That year, I started to be involved in the church missionary work. And then I started to say, okay, if we need to go and pick up a preacher, I'll go and pick him up. We were students back then. It's a student association. And at the moment I started to use that car for that kind of work, guess what happened? The oil leak stopped. I take it to the mechanic. He's like, I don't understand what's happening to your car. It stopped. It's defying the laws. What I did there, I stopped saying to the Lord, this is my car. I then said, Lord, this is the car that you have given me to use to minister to others. And they said, oh, you're now being a steward. You're being like me. You're putting me in a corner now. Because in our kingdom, we receive to give. So now you want to give this for use. I'll stop the oil leaks. For years, that oil leak stopped. The moment I left, because I was graduating, the oil leaks came back. Now you explain that. The moment I stopped serving, because I had graduated, the oil leaks came back. Because now I was saying, okay, now this is my car. I was now using it for my own purposes. The oil leaks came back. So do you realize why many of us are depressed today? We have an ownership mentality. Your house is not your house. The commandment says, you shall not do any work. You, nor your son, nor your daughter, nor your manservant, nor your maidservant, nor your cattle, nor the stranger that is within thy gates. Your house is not your house. You're supposed to accommodate others.